witness the,
No. Oh! Wait, can I read the card?
Hi. UPS gave me a call and Nat wanted me to send the results.
Open outside and messy.
What the hell is that? Paul! Paul! Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Are you freezing?
A little bit. I've been waiting here for a little while.
No, come on out. But here's the card. The card is T.V. Schwartz Sweet Family, open with all my family presents. Sorry I'm not there to spend Thanksgiving with you. Here's a little something to celebrate without me. Open outside, it's messy.
I saw this out from under the box.
Yeah.
I was like,